asuntoskeittiö Karipuisto.
Yeah, fortunately they had replaced already these activities here. What was the others?
Vesijärvenkatu 47.
On Vesijärvenkatu 47. Lahti, Ankkuri, Lahti, Finland. With one additional here. We don't have to go to the other staircase.
Yeah.
So, but you had filmed one of them, or maybe you didn't.
Yeah.
Oh no, it was already in 2013. It's press 11552529. The capacity is 6 person 450 grams. So of course, then you don't have memories of the former ones.
Yeah.
Maybe I was also calling here before.
Yeah.
Maybe expected it next year, 2023, when it will already be 10 years old. But luckily all the rest are original here, in this area, at least what we've seen so far.
Yeah.
That is quite a lot that are original, so...
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you can first go from... There's no Douglas one.
Spektiivipaakin vaiskutaan, me eteenpäin Kone.
They have renovations going on here.
Yeah. That's